Okay guys, so I ordered this thing. It's like a shoe shelf. Well, that is what it's described as on eBay. And these are the instructions. It's pretty simple. I got this for $15. Usually retails for $20, but I did get a $5 discount on it. And it comes with 16 screws. And I mean, it looks pretty self-explanatory. And let me show you. I already have it set down here on my floor. How it's shown right here. Pretty easy to do, I believe. So it comes with 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have them right here. It's 4 of these shelves. And then the 16 screws are right here. Okay, here we go. So it comes with all these 16 screws and this little one over here to adjust them. Seems pretty easy, so I guess that's all I'm gonna use since it does come with it. I'm just gonna use these and see if that works. If not, I'll just, you know, get some more tools and adjust this better. So let's get started. It looks pretty easy. I just sat down on the floor, laid down on the floor, how it looks on here, just to, you know, get a hang of it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so it says basically just put these on here. How in the world? Oh my gosh, super easy. And this is not real curtain, so I guess I would be careful with it because it would break easily. It feels like plastic, like a plastic wood. It's weird. It doesn't feel like plastic, but it doesn't feel like wood. If you can see it better, I don't know if you guys can see that, but can you hear that? It sounds like plastic. Definitely sounds like plastic, but it doesn't feel like plastic. I guess something more like plastic, I would think, oh, like a toy or something, but it doesn't feel like a toy. It sounds like a toy, but it doesn't feel like it. Especially here on the edges, it feels like wood. But okay, so basically we're just gonna add these 4 shelves on there. Seems pretty easy. I guess anybody can do this. Okay. Watch me break it. And I'm over here talking about how easy this is. Hopefully I don't, because I really want to use it. This is so cute. It looks cute. It looks so vintage-like. I'm just using my hands to like insert these into the little holes that it has. Just using my bare hands. Wait, just making sure all edges are the same. Okay, great. I guess this has been the easiest do it yourself. Okay, so basically now the next step is to put those, fold these bottom ones and connect them all together. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, but I have to pick this up. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna use it. Pick it up from here. Start inserting these. Oh my goodness. Okay. To connect. Okay. Yeah, talking about how easy it is. Over here struggling. I really don't want to break it because I did a big bookshelf before. Yeah, I don't know how, but I broke it. I managed to break it. Okay guys, so I'm realizing now that I could have just flipped that board over and put the other shelves on top of that. And I don't know why I didn't think about it right then and there. Look at me struggling. Oh my gosh. It would have been easier if I would have attached these things, but apply the screws, because you don't want it all falling apart after so much time of your hard work, right? All right, so pretty self-explanatory. It's telling you here where to apply the screws. It says repeat the previous step for the 5th plate and install it as shown. On second thought, I just looked at this paper and just basically did what it looks like we should do, but I didn't read it. Okay, step 1, it said first install one board on the number 2 board, number 3 board, number 4 board. But let me just tell you right now, it doesn't have any numbers on it. So basically you just have to guess what numbers they are. Number 2 says connect the number 5 board to the product of the previous step. Okay, number 3, repeat the previous step for the 5th plate and install it as shown. Then fix the product with the screws. And that's what we're doing right now. Okay, we're doing step number 3.
Okay, so you guys see this hole on here, and I'm applying the screw right now, but be aware that the cardboard doesn't have a hole on it on the other side. Like, you have to make it yourself while you're screwing it on there. So be careful, because the way I broke my bookshelf, it's when I screwed it on there, I screwed it up like not in the middle, like on the edge, and it broke the wood from the inside, and you don't want to do that, because honestly it doesn't look good. So just, yeah, I was just trying to be cautious when I was applying this screw on there. So just a heads up, guys,
because it seems to be pretty delicate. You don't want to break it. It's too much force. There we go. There it goes. Another screw on. So we already have 2. So 14 more to go. You guys can see that's the back of the shelf, and looks like we need a screw here. So don't ever think you have screws left, because it's most likely you don't have extra screws and you're missing a few. So I lost a screw and I have one left. I couldn't figure out where they go, so maybe we do have 2 extra screws. I don't know, but I don't see any more holes, so it's pretty light. It's not heavy at all. You can carry it with one hand. It has 1, 2, 3, and 4 shelves, 4 tiers, and this is how it looks in the side, in the back, and obviously the other side. Pretty easy to move. I think it's really cute wherever you want to use it. Still don't have an idea what I'm gonna do with it, but it's pretty cute. I was thinking about putting my daughter's shoes here, but I don't know. really, really cute. I mean, it's pretty small.
It's pretty cute, but it's small. Compared to an average nightstand, it's just a few inches below one. So basically you can use it for any small things, just to organize your kids' stuff.
You can put whatever you want. We can put shoes. You can put shoes on here, or you can put books, or you can use it for other things. You can put little toys. Just super cute. I like it.
Okay guys, so that was it for today's video, and if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate your feedback. If you have one of these, comment down below and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any more videos. Okay, bye.